Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively after school when you're tired. First, create a dedicated study space that is free from distractions. Next, prioritize your tasks to focus your energy on what's most important. Break down larger assignments into smaller, manageable chunks. This approach makes starting less daunting and helps you feel more accomplished as you complete each small step, even when your energy is low. To boost your focus and energy, incorporate short, strategic breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every 30 to 45 minutes of study. During these breaks, move around or grab a healthy snack. Engage with your material using active learning methods, like summarizing out loud or creating flashcards. Staying hydrated is also key. Keep a water bottle close by to maintain your concentration. Maximize your retention by reviewing key concepts shortly after learning them, perhaps within an hour. This helps solidify the information in your memory. Utilize different study resources, such as videos or practice problems, to gain a deeper understanding. Avoid multitasking, as it significantly reduces learning efficiency. Focus on one task at a time to ensure your brain fully processes the information. To end your study session strong, take a few minutes to organize your materials for the next day. This simple step saves time and reduces stress later. Reflect on what you accomplished during your session, acknowledging your efforts even when tired. Finally, prioritize getting adequate rest. A good night's sleep, ideally 7 to 9 hours, is crucial for consolidating learning and preparing for optimal performance tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.